I'm not going to do the classic orc opening and scream wah in this little hobby hangout area. No. But if you've clicked on this video, it's because you want to see how I made my Ork Banner Boy. Well, just kind of made him a little bit better, a little bit more orc-like, and just kind of give it my own little flair. This is a super easy kit bash that you can do. All that requires is, well, basically all the stuff from the Armageddon box. One thing I will say is I did buy a second load of the orc stuff off eBay because mainly it was going super cheap, and now I have like, well, double the orc amount for the same price as what I paid for the Armageddon box. So I'm very, very happy with getting a very cheap army put together. So you will need kind of duplicates of the Banner Boy, the War Boss, and of course you'll have the knobs, so the boys in there anyways. And this is how I went about doing it. So first of all, you want to kind of like get your Ork Boy kind of like put together to a certain degree. What I wanted to do was I wanted to take the kind of banner head that was on the top of the banner and turn that into a bit of a helmet. All this will require to do is snip it off the top of the banner and then basically carve out a lot of the inside of that helmet. Sorry, not that helmet. Carve a lot of the inside of that icon to kind of fix it as a bit of a helmet piece. For me, I just used bits of scalpel, modeling tools, and just kind of like worked away till it kind of fit onto the head. What I also did with the head is I also, on top of that, just kind of shaved away a lot of the face just so that it stuck on quite nicely. For the heavy sculptors amongst you that are a bit more keen, a bit more able, grab yourself some yellow putty if you want to, and just kind of make yourself a strap on the back. Something I haven't done, I've literally just stuck the head on, making it nice and simple. From there, what I then decided to do, I didn't quite like the axe that's on in his hand. I just didn't like it. I thought it would kind of look better with some sort of shooter. So from that, all I did was I used the left arm shooter from the boys kit that's in the Armageddon box, cut it at the hand, and then basically again filed down both ends so it kind of fits nicely, and again placed it on there with a little bit of glue. If you want to fill in there, use some green stuff, you can as well, but if you don't have any of that sort of stuff and you just want to keep it simple like this, then all you're simply doing is just gluing that into place so that it sits nicely onto the wrist. The next part that I wanted to do was kind of give him, you know, obviously he hasn't got his chopper anymore, so I kind of wanted to give him like a nice big chopper-esque sort of setup. So I took the chopper from the War Boss. Again, I have two of them. I'm obviously going to buy another one when the new sort of individual parts kit comes out. So I just thought, well, if I've got a spare one, I can kind of use that a bit of a bits box type thing to make this sort of stuff. And so I used the kind of the chopper kit that kind of comes as in a satchel on the back. Again, just cut away you're just cutting away the kind of inserting pin, and again filing it all down and just again gluing it onto the back of the Banner Boy. And it's literally as simple as that. Again, he's up here out the way. Yeah, like I say, it's a very easy thing to do. If you only have one of these, that's no problems at all. What you could do to kind of, you could quite easily take away their helmet and use perhaps some of the icons from the knobs that are in the kit to replace the banner, sort of like the banner icon, so that you can have that banner icon as the helmet. But it is literally as simple as just using the banner icon. That's where a lot of time's going to go, is just shaving away the inside of that icon to create the helmet. Like I say, the pistol, or the shooter, sorry, the custom shooter is easy. The little shooter is easy enough to do. It's a simple case of just finding the sprue with the left. It's the left hand shoot that you want. I think it's pretty much the only one. Again, shaving it cutting it at the wrist, gluing it on, and then finally you're going to just do the same thing, but with the big sort of like side blade, if you will, that would go onto the War Boss, but again just goes on the back. And that is literally how I made my custom my custom Ork Banner Boy. And I really like him. So there you go. Like I say, you will need the 2 if you're going to do it all. Again, they're cheap enough to do, and I'm sure most of you Ork players more than likely bought 1 or 2 sets anyways. But yes, there you go, as easy as that. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know. If you'd like some bit more in-depth stuff, again, just send me a message and I'll get back to you on the other bits and pieces for it. But that's generally as simple as that. An easy kit bash for anyone to do to make your Ork Banner Boy just like a little bit more, just a little bit more. There you go. Cheers guys, that's me signing off for now. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.